Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively. First, let's talk about planning. Begin by creating a realistic study schedule for all your subjects, ensuring you allocate enough time for each. Break down large topics into smaller, more manageable sections to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Setting clear, achievable goals for every study session will help you stay focused and motivated, making your study time much more productive and efficient. Next, let's explore active learning. Don't just read, engage with the material. Try summarizing key concepts in your own words after reading a section. A great way to solidify understanding is to practice explaining difficult topics to a friend or even to yourself. Additionally, utilize tools like flashcards or self-quizzing to actively test your knowledge and identify areas needing more attention, ensuring deeper retention. Effective time management is crucial for successful studying. Try the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25-minute intervals, then take a 5-minute break. This helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. It's also vital to avoid multitasking. Dedicate your full attention to one subject at a time. Regularly reviewing your notes, perhaps for 10 to 15 minutes daily, will significantly reinforce your learning and memory. Finally, consolidating your learning and recharging are essential. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. It's vital for memory consolidation and overall well-being. Always review your material thoroughly before tests to solidify your understanding and boost your confidence. And hey, while you're optimizing your life, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.